Watch to see how the 101 Scout lives up to its legacy as the highest performance Scout we've ever offered. 101 badging, stitching, and graphics exacting attention to detail finishes the look with 101 Scout badging, intricate seat stitching, and exclusive paint and graphics. Indian 101 Scout is sure to draw stares and turn heads if anyone can catch it. The quarter fairing gives the 101 Scout a stylish and custom look straight from the factory, while also providing protection from the wind. Up top, stylish gloss black 6-inch Moto Style Risers with machine highlights, machined triples and Moto handlebars tie it all together, with custom appeal and purposeful ergonomics that fit its aggressive character. All new 111 HP SpeedPlus V-twin, a next-generation motorcycle, calls for a next-generation engine. With a 11% increase in displacement, the fully redesigned SpeedPlus engine is a 1250cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine that delivers 111 horsepower and north of 82 ft-lbs of torque, for a balanced, yet thrilling ride. The Limited Plus Tech trim builds upon the standard and limited trim features by delivering ABS, traction control, ride modes, keyless ignition and more. Experience vehicle controls at your fingertips with the 4" display powered by Ride Command and Ride Command Plus connected services. Inverted adjustable front forks. New fully adjustable inverted forks are more rigid, more responsive, providing you with both better handling and a feel for the road beneath you. Piggyback rear shocks. Adjustable piggyback rear shocks come standard to let you dial in your ride just how you like. They give you the stylish aftermarket look and increased comfort and capability for aggressive riding. Dual-disc Brembo brakes. Responsive brakes enable you to ride harder and stop safely. Limited Plus Tech trim. The Limited Plus Tech trim features keyless ignition and a 4" display powered by Ride Command that includes GPS navigation, ride stats, and customizable gauges. Elevate ownership with pre-installed Ride Command Plus connected service to stay in tune with your bike from anywhere. Whether you're looking for premium style, increased comfort, or dedicated function, personalizing is easy and gives you the ability to transform your Indian 101 Scout just the way you want it.